The number one product on our list is the Amazfit Trex Pro. The Trex Pro is an affordable smartwatch. It's an update to the original Trex, and it comes with a 1.3-inch AMOLED screen and a resolution of 360 by 360 pixels with a pixel density of 326 ppi. It has the same design as its predecessor but with better internals. The Amazfit Trex Pro smartwatch is high-level exploration partner, supporting 4 global navigation satellite systems, a blood oxygen saturation measurement system, a heart rate monitor, a sleep monitor, a weather tracker, a sunrise and sunset monitor, a current moon phase display, a compass and barometric altimeter. It has over 100 sports modes and can be used to monitor critical data such as workout heart rate, distance traveled, movement speed, and calories burned in real time for most sports modes, to help you track and improve your athletic performance. When fully charged, you'll get up to 18 days of activity in progress with typical usage, or up to 9 days with heavy usage, or up to 40 hours with GPS continuous working mode. It's a high-level smartwatch exploration partner, supporting 4 global navigation satellite systems, a blood oxygen saturation measurement system, a heart rate monitor, a sleep monitor, a weather tracker, a sunrise and sunset monitor, a current moon phase display, a compass and barometric altimeter. This smartwatch is versatile and definitely one you would want to consider having. Well, there you have it. If our review has helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. Don't forget to click the notification bell icon to get an alert for when our next video drops. Stay tuned for our next video and thank you for watching.